I think you'll love this recipe when I show you my chicken chili verde. The ingredients go so well together and they taste great. While this is simmering, your kitchen will be filled with the aroma of wonderful vegetables and seasonings. Gather the following ingredients. 1 pound of grilled chicken breast. 1 cup of chicken stock. 1 quart of cooked tomatoes. 1 cup each of chopped onions and peppers. 1 cup of frozen corn or a can of canned corn. Drain off the liquid in the canned corn. 6 ounces or half of a 15-ounce can of kidney beans. Rinse the beans well. Finely chop on garlic clove, or you can use 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Then you will need 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, a half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cumin, a half teaspoon of oregano, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and, finally, 1 teaspoon of dried cilantro. This recipe is so easy and you can use it as a topping for rice or as a filling in burritos. You will see my 2 videos on my channel, this meal this time, when I made homemade flour tortillas that were used for my chicken chili verde burritos. Hope you take a look-see and check those out. Once you have these ingredients incorporated into a 5-quart saucepan, you will simmer the verde on low to medium heat on your stovetop. Mix everything well and then onto the stove. So, I cover the saucepan and get this great-looking verde on the stove to simmer for about an hour. Thanks for watching this video, and please check out the other videos I mentioned earlier for the chicken chili verde burritos and the homemade flour tortillas. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.